welcome back to my channel. This is a highly requested tutorial after posting a photo on my Instagram page where I was wearing clip-ins. Many of you asked that I do a tutorial on how I install, how I blend, and all that jazz. I did do the big chop last year, and y'all disregard that bump. Flow was not letting me be great. My hair is growing, however, I enjoy length, and y'all, my hair doesn't grow like some of these other naturals, so I tend to use wigs or clip-ins to give me the added length and volume that I like. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all the new Glam full head set, which allows for you to be able to do a clip-in install with only one bundle of hair. So Hergivenhair has increased their one bundle. This particular package allows for you to have just enough hair so that you have a full head without having a whole lot of volume. So if you're someone who loves clip-ins but you don't want to buy two bundles, then this is the set for you. My set, of course, is in the Coily texture because, as you all know, I love that texture. It's in length 16, but they do also offer it in kinky, coily, and curly. And these come with 2 wefts with 5 clips, 2 wefts with 4 clips, 2 with 3 clips, and then 4 wefts with 2 clips. So in total, you have 10 pieces with 32 clips. In the photo on Instagram, I was wearing 2 bundles of clip-ins, but I'll get into that later. Right now, I'm going to show you all how I go about blending. My hair is pretty defined currently. I was wearing clip-ins earlier in the week, so it's pretty much prepped with my edges being laid and everything. But I am going to do a talk through showing you all how I go through the process of refreshing my hair so that I can blend for another install. So the first thing that you want to do is decide where you want your part. I typically go for a side part, so I'm doing that, and then I'm going to take out the leave out. Now, you don't need much hair for these clip-ins, which is awesome, and my hair is 4B 4C texture, and the Coily clip-ins are 3C 4A, but I'm still able to get my hair to blend, and I'm going to show you all how. So I'm just taking out enough hair, and you want to kind of make a U. So where your part is, around that area, you want to make a U, and then also have hair out along your edges. Now, if you don't decide that you want to expose your edges on the side, then you don't necessarily have to leave hair out on that side, but I like to do that just to make sure it looks more natural. So once you have this hair out, you can begin to tuck that away. I'm just going to put a clip on it, and then I'm going to braid the hair in the back. Now, don't get scared. I'm not going to do cornrows or anything. This is super easy. I use this moisturizer, which is a new moisturizer that I started using. I'm just going to put this on my hair, and I'm going to do 4 plaits. It's so easy, y'all, and not time consuming at all. After completing my 4 plaits, I'm just going to pin those down with bobby pins, and then we're going to move on to the next step. I'm going to let you all watch this process. Alright, now that the back is all braided up and tucked away, which makes this a great protective style, we're now going to move on to the leave out. Now remember, I'm not going to show you all the complete process. Most of it is already done, but this is the product that I did use on my hair, along with Got to Be Glue in the yellow bottle. I love that combination. It's so good for making sure that my hair is well defined and also blends so nicely with these clip-ins. For this particular refresher course, we're going to be using the Got to Be Glue in the black bottle. Keep in mind, I don't have much definition from the previous install because I've been doing other things with my hair, so that's why you don't see it well defined currently. But I'm just going to add the Got to Be Glue in the black bottle onto what I've already done to my hair. This is going to kind of give me a wash and go type look. After doing this, I'm going to go about pulling the hair taut, wrapping it around the back of my head, and then adding a stocking cap. That is a great way to stretch your natural hair if it's not super long yet. So it helps to defy that shrinkage, and the gel is going to help to give you a great deal of hold, especially if you live in a humid environment like me. I live in Houston, y'all. It's horrible, but yeah. I'm just way too shy. now that our leave out is all prepared, I'm going to allow for that to set overnight. And now we're going to work on the clip-ins. So this is what they look like up close. Y'all, don't put them in your head like this. I've seen this done so many times. They will still look good, but they won't look super natural. We need to wash and define the clip-ins. I'm going to do so using the Aussie 7-in-1 Miracle Conditioner. I love that conditioner on these extensions. I start by gripping the hair in the middle, and then I'm going to begin to rinse them and add the conditioner and then define the curls. And I'll show you all that process. Next day and it's time to install, so I'm just gonna grab my clip-ins. They are looking so awesome. My hair is also well defined, so it's gonna blend so well with these clip-ins. I'm now gonna take off the stocking cap, and y'all, as you can see, it's really stretched and it matches perfectly. Now I'm gonna be 100% transparent with you all. I honestly didn't think that one set of clip-ins was gonna be enough, because y'all know me, I love volume. After prepping the hair, it just didn't look like enough to me. But I'm going to show you all that it worked. I was so surprised, and this is going to be great for the girls who don't like a whole lot of volume. So unlike most others, I like to start at the top first and then work my way down. I feel like using this technique really helps me to ensure that I have fullness at the top, and I also am able to really plan out my style a little more. If I start at the bottom, I always feel like I get to the top and then there's no more clip-ins left. But if I start at the top and then work my way down to the bottom, if there's no space for any more clip-ins at the bottom, or if I run out, it won't matter. I can just have a shorter style that really looks really voluminous at the top, which is what I desire. This method also gives you a little more shape without having to cut the hair. I've never cut my clip-ins, and I don't have to because I install them this way. When deciding which piece to use, you can just kind of measure out the section by just placing a strip over that area and ensuring that it will fill it all the way up. If it doesn't, take that clip-in out and use a different one. Now, tension is not something you have to worry about. If you clip it directly into the hair, lift it up, make sure there isn't any tension, and then clip it down. Don't clip it down if you feel any tension at all. So you're just gonna insert the clip into the hair, you're gonna lift it up away from the root, and then clip it. This is gonna ensure that you have a pain-free experience and that you're not experiencing any breakage during this install. Yeah. Wow, I was so surprised that I was successful. You don't even understand. I did not think this was going to be enough, but it's more than enough for someone who doesn't like a great deal of volume. So now we're just going to take our leave out and we're going to place it over the area where we have our clip-ins, and we're going to begin to blend. Now, when we go about this process, it's just a matter of finger combing and just kind of tussling the hair under the extensions and also twisting some of it. Just find the areas that might be sticking out and just kind of mesh them in with the clip-ins, and it's going to look great. If you prep your hair properly before the install, it should blend without fail. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. These extensions look so natural. You can't tell me this is not my hair. I've actually had somebody to stand me down that I was not wearing extensions. It was the funniest thing ever. We literally went back and forth for a good little minute. But y'all, you're gonna have the same experience if you get these extensions. So right now I'm showing you a side-by-side comparison. On the left side, I'm showcasing the Glam full head set of clip-ins. And on the right, I'm showing the 2 regular bundles of clip-ins, which is what I go for. Y'all, I like big hair, and this is for me. But if you don't, the left is gonna be for you. I'll delete the link for both in the description box. This is the outfit of the day that I wore. Really cute dress from Shein. It was a little short for me to just wear it as a dress, so I did put on some jeans, y'all. But I'm loving the look. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and that you learned so much. Be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section. And y'all, we are at 100K! I'm so excited. I love y'all. Keep supporting. Keep sharing my videos. I will see you all in my next one. Love y'all. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye, guys.